The Ibenstock Pipe Cutter, ERC350, is a powerful and versatile tool designed for cutting and chamfering plastic pipes up to 350 mm in one step, making it ideal for applications such as ventilation, plumbing, and electrical construction. It boasts advanced features like an extendable roller carriage and support bracket for secure pipe handling, stepless adjustable bevel width for customized chamfering, an efficient dust extraction system, and a compact design for easy portability in a transport box. With a robust 1,200-watt motor, it can effortlessly cut through even the toughest plastic pipes and offers a range of cutting and chamfering discs for specific applications. Overall, the ERC350 is a well-designed and high-quality tool suitable for various professional uses. The Roberts 10500-52 Knee Kicker is a professional-grade carpet installation tool featuring innovative attributes for user convenience and exceptional results. It incorporates a thick 100% gel core bumper, minimizing knee shock while optimizing driving impact, and an angled bumper design that aligns with your knee's natural angle. Its user-friendly lever design simplifies pin depth adjustment. The robust bullneck body design with a 30% thicker neck enhances durability, and it easily adjusts to 5 positions from 17 to 21 inches. With 3 rows of nap grips and 16 steel pins, it securely grips the carpet, and a comfort pad insert adds convenience. Backed by a lifetime warranty, this tool is the go-to choice for both professional carpet installers and DIY enthusiasts. The VITO gasoline wood splitter 12T is a robust and versatile tool designed to effortlessly and swiftly split firewood. It boasts a formidable 12-ton splitting force and is equipped with a 7 GP gasoline engine, making it more than capable of handling even the toughest logs. Additionally, the VITO gasoline wood splitter 12T incorporates several user-friendly and safety features, such as a 2-handed safety operation system to prevent accidental starts, a 3-position adjustable table for accommodating various log lengths and diameters, a spacious log tray for collecting split wood, and a pneumatic wheel kit for effortless transport. The POPULO Detail Sander is a versatile and powerful tool ideal for various sanding tasks, including finishing furniture, paint, or varnish removal, edge smoothing, curved surface sanding, and tight space access. Its innovative features ensure efficiency and high-quality results, featuring a robust 1.1 amp motor with speeds of up to 14,000 OPM for rapid sanding. The unique triangular shape allows easy corner and tight space sanding, and the Velcro-backed sanding pad simplifies sandpaper changes. It also incorporates a dust collection system for effective debris removal and boasts a lightweight ergonomic design for comfortable use. The Klein Tools Portable Solar Panel is a powerful and versatile tool designed for charging power banks, portable batteries, and personal electronics. With a maximum power output of 200 watts and the ability to chain with another 200-watt panel for up to 400 watts of output, it excels at rapid off-grid recharging. This portable solar panel is user-friendly, featuring a foldable design with a carrying case for convenient storage and portability, an adjustable shoulder strap for hands-free transportation, kickstands for optimal sun positioning, and solar power indicator lights for real-time power monitoring. It also offers an APP-compatible connector for easy charging of Klein Tools power stations and other APP-compatible devices, as well as a USB-A port for direct charging of USB devices. The LIMBZIPPER pruning system revolutionizes tree pruning, with its superior speed, efficiency, and ease of use. Comprising a unique pruning head for precise cuts, an extendable aluminum pole for high branches, and a complementary handsaw, it offers unmatched versatility. Simply attach the pruning head, extend the pole, position it around the branch, and pull down to achieve clean, quick-healing cuts. Ideal for enhancing tree health, removing damaged limbs, improving views, or boosting fruit production. It also proves invaluable for professional arborists, offering time and cost savings while consistently delivering superior results, including up to 50% faster pruning, reduced infection risks, increased safety, and user-friendly operation. The VCELINK wire cutter crimping tool offers a 3-in-1 functionality, including wire cutting for copper and aluminum wires up to 6 square millimeters, wire stripping for 12 to 18 AWG insulated wires, and crimping for 14 to 20 AWG non-insulated terminals. This versatility makes it an invaluable tool for various electrical wiring tasks, and its affordability adds to its overall value. Crafted with durable materials and construction, it ensures longevity, while its user-friendly design caters to both beginners and professionals alike. Whether in homes, workshops, or businesses, the VCELINK wire cutter crimping tool proves to be a dependable and cost-effective choice for a wide range of electrical applications. The ground point system Klimax is a triangular frame made of sturdy anodized aluminum, featuring 3 rubber stands, a clip for prism attachment with a lanyard, and a magnet for prism storage. Its primary purpose is to aid in precise point measurement on both ground and wall surfaces when used alongside a total station. Operating this versatile tool is straightforward. Position the triangular frame at the desired point, attach the prism to the clip for visibility by the total station, and proceed with accurate measurements. With applications ranging from measuring construction, boundary, topographical, to control points, its durability, thanks to high-quality materials and construction, ensures it can withstand the rigors of professional use, making the ground point system Klimax a dependable and long-lasting instrument for various surveying and measurement needs. The AUSAVINA 90-degree Pro Seam Setter is a professional-grade tool designed for accurately joining 2 material sheets perpendicularly or horizontally during installation. Widely used in the stone industry for crafting countertops, islands, and more. Crafted from high-quality aluminum, it features a main frame, suction cups with rubber pads for strong adhesion and surface protection, knurled rollers for easy edge alignment, and leveling knobs with plastic caps to safeguard materials. Additionally, a vacuum pump kit is included for locations without electricity. This versatile tool accommodates various materials like granite, marble, quartz, and wood, making it an essential choice for precise installations in diverse applications. The JLA Compact Hoists, offered in 3 capacities, is a range of lightweight and resilient lever hoists suitable for a diverse array of applications. These hoists are designed with user-friendly and precision-enhancing features, including a compact and lightweight construction for effortless carrying and positioning, a robust aluminum body capable of withstanding professional demands, an auto-engage clutch for convenient load chain adjustment while safeguarding against accidental freewheeling under load, and a load limiter to prevent overloading. Additionally, these hoists come backed by a lifetime warranty, ensuring long-term reliability and peace of mind for users. The AXXAIR DC65 squaring machine, often referred to as a tube-facing machine, is a portable and lightweight tool designed for precisely squaring the ends of thin tubes in preparation for orbital welding. Powered by an 18-volt battery, it offers versatility for both on-site and workshop usage. Key features include a burr-free tube squaring process, a compact and lightweight design, precise manual advance with a graduated vernier scale, and compatibility with a variety of thin tube materials, making it an ideal choice for tubes with diameters ranging from 3 mm to 63.5 mm. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.